Hello, welcome to all. In this video, we are going to show you how you can start your CIPS exam preparation. So, for example, we are cover one topic today. The topic name is make or buy decision, and we are taking this topic from CIPS level 4 module 4. In this video, we will first see our presentation about this topic. Then we will go to the book, what they are mentioning in the book. After that, we will practice the sample questions we are going to face in the real exam. So full sets of questions available. So here actually totally 384 questions. With this Excel sheet, we will write the answer here, as well as we will check our mark what we will get for this make or buy topic. So let's start it. So this is the make. Make means you are making the product or your required things with your own resources, and buy means economically beneficial. That's why you are making it from other party by outsourcing or any other media. Giving the order, you are getting the product. Okay, this is the buy issue. According to the CIPS, there are different factors on deciding to make in-house or buy from external suppliers. Is the product or service is core to the business? So if any product is vital for your business, it is making your maximum profit, or it is crucial for you, and this is the iconic for your brand or your company, it will be one of the major factor. Does the organization has the capability and capacity to make in-house? You should consider before making these decisions. Another is the would buying create economics of scale with the existing supplier that could result in cost saving. And another is level of competition. Okay. And obviously, when you are preparing for the exam, you should consider only CIPS, what they are mentioning in their book, because that's the reference, and from here they will make your questions. So you should follow their books, and we write here we are taking all information from books. We just summary here, taking the make decision. Then the benefit is that you have self-sufficient strategy. Okay, no one understand your strategy, no one can conflict in your strategy. This is the one good point. Another is enhance control over processes. So if you are making the product, then your control over that processes or the production is remarkable, because you can take any decision anytime. So improve quality control. Workforce remains stable, assured continuity of supply. If anything if fully your side, then obviously the continuity of supply is depends on you. Another is easier to amend volumes and specification. Then and the buy decision, specialized knowledge available, and for buy decisions, then technological advancement available, and the low volume not cost effective for make, or no in-house capability and machineries. And the from buy decisions, then the reduce overhead cost. Those the main point. The same thing from the book also. So we are going to the book, page number 5, and this is the page number 6. So the make decisions, what we are discussing, same thing here. To require thinking about the following factors. Okay, these factors we have to consider before taking the service in-house or source it from the external suppliers. Okay, so these factors we have consider what we read there. The first is the product or service is core to the organization. That the first point. The book is the ultimate solution. So if you read the book, then your idea will be improve. If any questions come little change, then you can easily catch what would be the answer. So for making those, you must read the books, how they are presenting, how they are writing. So these things, these 5 points you have to consider. The outlines of make decision and buy decision. This table actually same we presented in this PPT. So here the topic is make or buy. So we'll get all questions. We just here make. If we write the make or any topic name, it will come. So now make or buy, it is selected, and okay. So here totally we found total 4 questions here. We will practice now with the sample questions which mostly come in your exam. So these types of question, in this way you will get in the exam. So you will ready with me and give the answer here. So if you need this master sample question sets, then you can take it from our website as well as you can purchase from the Udemy. So both link you can get in the video description. So if you practice all questions in this way what we are sharing now, then it would be I think good enough for you to pass the CIPS exam at the very first time. So now the first question is the what factors are taken into account when making a buy decision. Select 2. Okay, so these the 4 options here, answer option. So here the first option is competent suppliers not available. This is one thing. Then technological advancement available. Then reduced overhead. So overhead, right, this is the one answer. Continuity of supply buy decision if we take, then it would be not possible. Technological advancement, yes, this is possible, and so you have to make decisions. So our answer is 2 and 3. So we will write here the second questions, what factors are taken into account when deciding make decision. This make decisions, reduce overhead, no. Continuity of supply, yes, I think this is less inventory, no. And then technology advancement available, no. So this is the continuity of supply. So you can also think your answer. I'm writing here the continuity of supply. And then the third question is who is among the following is a factor that an organization consider when making a make versus buy decisions. Okay, from here actually these questions come. First, product or service quality is not a requirement, it is not mentioned there. And the product or service lead time is not a requirement, it is also not mentioned there. Product or service is a core to the business, yes, this is the possibilities. And product or service is made by a third party. So actually if we read this for just we practice here, this is the core to the business, this is the answer. The answer would be I think this one. So we write here 3. Then we are going to the fourth questions, make or buy decision if there are several suppliers in the marketplace. The buying organization may prefer the several suppliers. Supplier availability is sufficient. Market competition is high. What decision will take? It is easy for you. We can go for buy decision, because if we buy, then with a minimal cost we can get that product, as the supplier power is less and buyer power is high. So it is OJ. Why supplier power less? As the several suppliers available in the market. Okay, so here we will write the buy decision. Okay, so we just finish it. Now if we see our result, then we can easily understand what we achieved. And yes, this we passed and 100%. Firstly read the book, then filter the sample questions with the topic, and in this way if you can practice, I believe you can do well in your real exam.